How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today we are taking a look at some deep hidden features that are available inside your Samsung phone. Trust me, you're gonna learn something new and useful in this video. So if you own a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, then stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Just like iPhones, you can now check the actual health of your phone's battery on your Samsung device. On my iPhone 14 Pro Max, I can easily check the battery health by going into the settings, select battery and click on battery health. Now even if you don't have an iPhone, you can still check the battery health on your Samsung device. All you have to do is simply open the Samsung Members application that comes pre-installed on your phone. In case you don't have Samsung Members, then you can install this app from the link which I have provided in the description below. Once done, just tap on the support icon, select product diagnostics. Here you need to scroll down and click on this battery status icon. Now you can actually see the battery health. If it is in good condition, then it shows the life as good. But if your battery status is bad, then there is no other way and you might have to replace your phone's battery. Not only this, you can also test all other functions and see whether everything is working fine on your phone. This can be super useful when you are purchasing a second-hand phone from someone. You just need to open the Samsung Members app and check if that phone is in good condition or not. Right now, if I want to unlock my phone, I have to put in my password or scan my fingerprint, which is totally fine. But there are times when I turn off the display, I don't want it to lock immediately because I know I'm not gonna leave my phone anytime soon. As you can see, now if I turn on right away, it doesn't ask me for a PIN. You can easily set it up by just going into your settings, lock screen, and then go inside secure lock settings. Here just select this option called auto lock when screen turns off. You can then choose how much time your phone should wait before it gets locked. You can go all the way from 5 seconds to 30 minutes. Let's say I select 2 minutes, and I also need to disable this option called lock instantly with side key. That's it. Now when I turn off the screen, my phone will not get locked unless 2 minutes have passed. This is really useful, especially when you are sitting next to your phone and you want to pick up your phone multiple times. Every time you don't have to put in your PIN or password. We all know that Samsung allows you to configure the side key. If you just go into settings, select advanced features and then select side key, here you can configure the double tap and the long press of your power button. But there are only two functions for the long press. You can either set it to power off menu or launch the Bixby assistant. Now if you really want to assign more useful shortcuts to the side key, then you need to open GoodLock and install this module called Registar. Once that is done, go inside Registar, select side key press and hold action, turn it on, and now you could remap the long press of your power button to any of these functions. You can take screenshots by long pressing the power button. You can access Google Assistant, which is definitely more useful than Bixby. You can toggle the flashlight, put your phone in silent mode, open your favorite app and more. I have set it in a way that when I double press, it launches the camera, and if I long press the power button, it opens the Google Assistant for me. Let's say there is a setting that you change very often. For example, I always keep changing my default launcher, and in order to do that, I need to open settings, go inside apps and then select default apps. Finally, I get this option to change the default launcher. It's a pretty long process. Instead of doing this every time, what I can do is, I can create a shortcut for this setting that I can easily access directly from my home screen. Let me show you how to do that on your phone. Again, open the Registar module inside GoodLock. Click on search options, and here you need to enable this setting that says allow creation of shortcuts. That's it. Now again open the settings menu and long press on the search result. It's gonna give you an option to create a shortcut for that particular setting. Now if I go back, there is a new shortcut, and if I click on it, it takes me right inside that setting and I don't have to navigate and search every time. Like this, you can create shortcuts for all your frequently used settings, put it in one folder. It saves a lot of your time. You just need to download the Registar module and start creating these amazing shortcuts. Right now I've got two Samsung devices with me. I have the Galaxy S23 Ultra and I also got the S22 Plus. If I copy anything on this phone, I am able to paste it on my other phone, that is the S23 Ultra. Not only this, it also works on Samsung browser. For example, now I'm browsing a website on my S22, and if I want to open this exact page on my other phone, I just need to open the recent apps menu, and here I've got a new tab that says from your S22. If I click on it, it opens the exact page that was already opened on my S22 Plus. This feature is called Continue Apps on Other Devices, and it is extremely useful when you have a couple of Samsung phones or a tablet. Now to enable this feature on your phone, just go into Settings, Connected Devices, and enable this option called Continue Apps on Other Devices. It allows you to share clipboard across all your Samsung devices that are signed into the same Samsung account. By using this feature, you can also copy an image and share it on other phones. Just make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth has been turned on. Did you know you and your friend can connect two earphones at the same time and watch a movie or listen to the same song on one phone? As you can see, I have got two earphones connected to my phone, and now if I go on to Netflix and watch a movie, or if I open YouTube Music and start playing a song, I just need to open the notification panel, tap on this media output icon. Here you will see the list of connected devices. You can select whichever earphone you want, or you can actually enable output on both the earphones at the same time. Not only this, you can also set up a custom volume limit to all your speakers and earphones that are connected via Bluetooth. Just go into the volume settings, tap on this three dots menu, select media volume limit and turn this on. Here you can actually set the volume limit, so the media volume will not go beyond a certain limit when you are connected to headphones or a speaker. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some amazing hidden features that are available inside your Samsung phone. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android, and I will see you guys in the next one.